Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your Honor Pad V9. So first let's start off by checking your headphones. So try and test your headphones with another device to make sure that they're working, and try to check if there's no issue with the Bluetooth connection, because here we don't have the 3.5mm jack. So make sure that the issue is not with the Bluetooth and headphones. You guys can try and restart your tablet. So hold the power button for more than 3 seconds. Don't mind the Gemini popping up. Now click restart and touch again to restart the tablet. So I'll see you guys once my tablet is restarted. So after restarting our tablet, we can try another pair of headphones. So try and test a different pair of headphones to rule out any issues with the original ones. Now let's go over to the settings, and here select the system and updates almost at the bottom. Now click software update and make sure that you're running the latest version of your software, because if you're not, then you need to check for any available updates that might fix the issue. Basically, when a new software update comes out, they fix a lot of issues, including the headphone detection, the speaker, the microphone, and etc. So that's why it's important to always update your tablet as fast as possible. Now what you guys can do is check for hardware issues, but don't do that by yourself. Go to a service center for a checkup and see if there's any hardware issues with your device. So that be it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment. Bye.